Hello everybody, it's NCP. Just hope everybody's doing well. Been kind of busy here, going through the website and the YouTube stuff, making sure we're compliant with all the rules. I hear they're going to be taking down a lot of channels that don't comply. As far as I know, we're in compliance, but if this channel should go down, go to preppersvoice.com and you'll find a new channel there, or all the videos there, either or. But I've been really busy just going through the videos. I got so many videos. I'm putting them up, and I guess you can put it up silently so it doesn't keep dinging your guys' channel and think it's a new video when it's not. But been doing all this stuff. I'm been trying to print these giraffes for my sister for Christmas, and they're dainty and they're hollow, so they can't support. So I wanted to print some bigger, but this seems to be as big as I can get without collapsing or having problems. Even the camera's having a hard time, I can see it. But one's just regular black and one's in gold PLA. I don't think it's PLA plus, polylactic acid, but it's gold filament, but it looks kind of yellow to me, but whatever. So that's what's been going on here. Just to give you an update. I've been, like I said, just really busy with that and, yard work, trying to get things ready for winter, which we're kind of already in. Getting the Christmas tree up. Got it the other day, but it doesn't have anything on it yet. Just sitting in the front room. Different things. That's pretty much it. My life coach suggested I take Tai Chi and yoga classes, so we'll try that eventually. Maybe yoga, because it's good for stretching. Not that I need any of that, but she said to, so I'll give it a try. Maybe doctors and such know more than I do. Or maybe she's just pushing an agenda, I don't know. Either way, I'm going to do it. So, everything should be good. Looks like there's something on the wire out there. A tree branch fell on it. I'll have to go out and take a look at that now. But anyway, that's what's up. I hope everybody's having a great, fantastic day. And fantastic days to come. Yeah. I got so many plans for things and so many videos planned. I got at least probably 30 ready to go. I got the material components of it, and they're just projects need to be done, but something comes up here and there, I don't know. just busy. But things are good. Health-wise, they're good. Everything's good. Alright, so that's what's up. Just want to give you a quick update on how things are. And if anybody knows how to print giraffes bigger that are very dainty and they're like wireframe like this, let me know. I'm using a Ender 5 Plus. And I got the big build volume, but it wants to keep putting structural supports inside the giraffe. Now these are printed on their sides. And using the tree supports in Cura 4.3. I haven't gone to the 4.4 yet because I hear people complaining about problems. And I'm not that skilled to deal with it. So I've also tried a support blocker where I put in there, but that didn't work out right either. It still grew some inside. So I don't know. If you guys got any ideas on that, let me know. Alright, have a good one everybody. NCP out. Bye-bye.